Hey everybody, and welcome back to another video here on the channel. And so today we got some world's smallest stuff and other tiny stuff. So as you probably do not know, because this is my second video, it'd be pretty creepy if you did. I'm stuck. Okay, I'm unstuck. I like to collect tiny stuff. And I've heard about these world's smallest things, so I had to see those. But I got three of them and 2 of these. So the first thing I'm going to do is open the less exciting one, which is a mood lamp and a magnetic kit. So the first one I'm going to open is the magnetic kit. All right, Disney emoji. So basically this is telling me what all comes with. So it's 50 magnets, so that's cool. And here are the magnets. So I collect small stuff and magnets. Well, I just started collecting magnets. I have very little. I don't have much upstairs. I only have like 1 or 2 up here. Wait, never mind. I only have 3 up here. And the bad part is I only have 3 magnets, so now I have 53, and they're mini. So Broadway musicals, Pride. And I don't know why I'm holding that. I dropped my magnets. They're not. Nobody cares about your magnets, Joyce. So we are struggling to open this. Oh no. I spilled a ton. Hang on. Right there! Nobody saw that. I am picking these up. I dropped a ton. Okay. We're getting back up. My chair needs therapy, but otherwise we're good. So there should be 50 magnets. 6. So we're just gonna set them all out, and we'll just speed this part up while I do it. Okay guys, so these are all the magnets that I got, and I counted to make sure they were all 50, and they were, so I'm happy about that. In case you can't tell by my voice, I'm exhausted. So, sorry if I'm not all as energetic as I would be in other videos that will soon be to come. So, next, next to this is a mood lamp and a fun twist on the standard salt lamps that glow orange. This mini version rotates through the rainbow of colors and soothes every mood. Kit includes a one-of-a-kind lamp made with real salt. Okay. So it's a 2x3 inch. Oh, you have to assemble it? No, I hate those. Wait, do we actually have to assemble it? Oh, it needs batteries. Well, all right. I don't know if I have batteries. So that'll suck if I don't. since there are no batteries apparently in here. AAA. I don't know if I have AAA. I will be right back. Hello, I am back. I started where I could catch my breath. So, I got the AAA batteries. How the heck do you do this? Here's something I suck at, by the way. Unscrewing things. Which my girlfriend knows that I suck at unscrewing things. So I'm the one who goes and gets stuff. And she just is there. I'm gonna break this thing. This is not. Do I need to go the other way? Hey guys. For me, it's been a week since I've recorded this video. For you guys, it's been less than a millisecond probably. I was asking my girlfriend to help me unscrew this. Then I got some pretty bad news. I think some of you guys could figure it out. So I've been crying for a few days, but now I'm back, able to record. So I got this mood lamp. Mood lamp. I honestly think this is actually really, really cool. I don't care that it's tiny, it's cute. So supposedly, never mind. Supposedly if I do that it'll stay, but clearly it doesn't work. Well, it works, but like the way it said it would. So this is the world's tiniest mood lamp. But so next, let's work with the things I was most excited to get. The world's smallest. So let's start with the one that I'm like, I'll just get it because why not? I got the world's smallest yo-yo. So we are going to get this apart. Oh, bro, the other day, at school, someone bumped into me. They're like, shouldn't you be going to like 6th grade? You're like 10, like not 10. So this is the world's smallest yo-yo. It is literally so cute. I cannot. So my fingers feel fat. Okay. We're gonna go over here. Oh, it doesn't work. Or I just suck at yo-yos. One or the other. I'm 14, by the way, because I remember I was in the middle of the story and I'm like, yeah, no, and then I just stopped talking. Sorry about that. It's so tiny. It is literally so tiny. All right. Next, we have the world's smallest Scrabble. I think it's crazy that this actually works. Oh, that. Ow, I cut myself. Ow. Do I remember how to play Scrabble? Oh, wow. There's a lot of the world's smallest. Holy cow. I do want the Monopoly really badly. That's a lot. Okay, sorry. Moving on. Let's get your... I think I know how to play this. I honestly don't remember. Oh, it's so tiny. I literally hurting myself getting it out of the package. There we go. We got it out and it's so tiny. Okay. How on earth will I open this? Not me literally struggling. Oh, I got the game board thingies out. They are so tiny. Oh, these are the words. These are like the letters. Oh my gosh. I don't want to end up like breaking this trying to open it. I opened it, guys. I opened it. Oh my gosh. It's literally so tiny. This is a Scrabble board, and these are the like letters and stuff. Oh my gosh. I feel like this would be a lot cooler if I knew how to play. It's okay. I saved the best for last. Oh, it's so tiny, and I love it. I should probably play that later. Do an episode of using my tiny little things. So next is the thing I was really, really excited about, is the world's smallest Uno. Once again, okay, you're struggling here to not rip bar. Okay, this is smaller than just an Uno card itself. I don't know why, but I was not like, I know they said you can actually play with that, but I did not think you could, like, I don't know, like, actually play with, you know. So these are the instructions. Let's see if it's any different. Nope. They are literally so tiny. I love it so much. I love tiny things. I have 3 obsessions. Tiny things. Okay, here's the order from third, second, first. Third, Stranger Things. 2, Tiny Things. 1, Harry Potter. Oh my gosh, these are literally so tiny. I literally have broken a nail, but I do not care because I just don't care. So these are the cards. So here is red and yellow, and in here is green and blue. This is literally so cute. Like, so guys, those are the tiny things I got. Comment down below if you guys actually want me to play Scrabble or the Uno. So just comment down below if you guys want me to play one of these two, and comment down below which one you want me to play, and I'm gonna go figure out this yo-yo. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to hit that like button. I almost did a sniper and said in the face. But yeah, I hope you guys have a great day, and goodbye.